Hi everyone, thank you for checking out this video. In this video series where we are going to discuss how to use layouts in Wix Studio. There are so many layout options in Wix Studio which you can use to create amazing layouts for your website or your client's website. Right? So let's dive into the video and discuss more in detail. Okay, so now I am into my Wix Studio project. If you don't know how to do it, how to create your project, how to create pages in Wix Studio, I would highly recommend you check out my Wix Studio Crash Course 2024, where you will learn the basic stuff that you can do with Wix Studio. Right? So to start with the layouts, I'll click on this first plus icon, the add element section. Inside that, if you look at on this left sidebar, we have layout tools. In that layout tools, we have, if you click on the layout tools, you'll find this layout tools options: section grids, repeaters, multi-stat box, tabs, accordions, and other items that you can use in your project. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the section grids, and in the upcoming videos, I'll cover repeaters, multi-stat box, and how to use them to create the layouts based per your requirements or as per the designs given by your clients, right? So now what I'll do, I'm not going to use any presets here, right? I'll create from scratch. So to create it, you must have a section here on your page, right, on your canvas. So right now I have this section, and if I on the right hand side sidebar, this style panel, if I come here, you see this layout options. So now you have these layouts. These are the section grids which you can use. I think let's use this section grid here. I'll just select that one and it will automatically add it to my section, right? What are the section I select and click on those particular things. So right now it is collage, columns, and rows. So I want something like this. But you can also flip your columns, right? I mostly use these when I'm on the responsive side, I'm on the mobile side, when making a website responsive. I use it flipping the columns, flipping the rows, and all these equalize vertically and horizontally, right? You can play with these features. And then you have the columns, right? This is the two column layout, and you have rows like two rows, right? This is like rows, but this is covering the whole one column, single column, and two rows. That's why it looks like this, right? So here I will add some spacing, the gap between the items and the rows. I'll make it like 40 here. I'll make it 40 down here, right? So now it will look perfect. So here I want to add an image. I'll just add an image. So right now you can see the image has been added to that particular section column, right? The cell that we had. If you come here to the layers part, you'll see these, they call it cell, right? It, and let's set the height of our section. Let me make it 550 pixels in height, and here I want to add some headings or let's say buttons and all, right? So what I'll do, I'll go here, quick add in text, or you can click here in text, in your text styles, select this h1. I'll just drag and drop the h1 here. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, let's just drag and drop the h1 here to this particular cell, right? So now you have this cell here, h1 added into your cell. And now let me just add, let's not use h1, let's use h2 for now, and that's your heading. So, and now here again I want to use an image or the video, whatever you want, you can do from this quick add by clicking right click on any element. You can do that, right? Here I will add another image. So now you can see I have a layout like this. So you may have seen layouts like this where you have a video or the image. You can change the image. Right now I'm using this dummy image, but you can change them as well. So right now it's a full grid, right? But I want it to have a max width to the section. So I'll click on the section here and I'll apply a max width from here. So max width would be 1280, so it won't surpass the 1280 pixel when you visit from the big monitors, right? See, now look at this, now it's there only, right? It won't change. So when it comes to responsive, right now it's not responsive, but what we can do right now, I think this looks fine, so I will not touch this part. But on the mobile side, if you want to make it responsive, click on your section grid, and then I would prefer to change the gap also, because on the mobile you don't need 40 pixel of gap, otherwise there will be a huge gap between the items. So I now I will make them into rows. So just look at this, now they turn into rows. But if I go back here on the tablet mode, it is still collage. And here, that's the beauty of Wix Studio. You just, whatever the changes you make on the mobile side, it won't affect to your tablet or the desktop. But if you make any changes here on your desktop, it will affect to your mobile device also, the stylings you're going to make to your mobile. Just look at this, right? If I make this to a different color, I can change it. But if I making changes here, it will affect everywhere, but changes made here won't affect to your the bigger size devices, right? So yeah, this is the use of section grid in Wix Studio. You can easily use any kind of layout. If you don't want to create anything from scratch, then you can use their presets, the given by them. Just use them, just drag and drop onto your canvas and it will work. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and share the video. And if you want to learn more about Wix Studio, please subscribe my channel so that every time I post a new video, you get notification. If you want more resources on Wix Studio, I have free resources available on my website and premium Wix Studio templates also. Please do and check out them if you need them. Bye.